Yes, guys, this week come in this package that I'm showing you right now, and um, that's the package that it comes in with, and also they actually have this breathable net cap also that comes with it, which I'm gonna show you later in this video. It has one comb at the front and also a strap at the back, which you can put it in together to wear it. This is the breathable net that it comes with, but because I have one that I'm wearing already, yeah, which I'm okay with. Yes, so let's get into the video. Yeah, right now I'm styling the wig with my hand, which that's what you can do with this kind of wig. Your hand should be your friend at this at this point. Then I use my styling comb to just see what I can get out from this wig. Then I use my hand again. Okay, guys, so I'm using my hand to style it again. Oh my god. So you can just stop using your hand to style this wig and also the outcome. I love this outcome. It just all I'm doing is just to make sure that this wig lay down. I'm using the mousse from Lota. So I just don't want anything to fly out of the wig. That's why I'm using this mousse to make sure that everything lay down the way I want it here. Oh, look at this wig here. I just love it. You just have to use anything you can use to make sure that this wig lay down. Like I'm using the hot comb. This whoever make this hot comb, oh, you did a good job, because this outcome can do wonders. Look at this outcome. Look at this. One thing about this wig is that you can coil it, you can style it, you can dye it, you can straighten it. It's just so beautiful, guys. Look at this wig. Look at this wig. This wig is making me feel happy. Yes, that's how the wig is. Guys, this is the first time. This is my first time of wearing, this a short wig. So I'm so happy that I got, this beautiful short wig. Guys, nobody sponsor me for this wig, but when you feel happy buying something, that is what is going on right now. I just want you guys to see, what I feel about this wig. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this. You see, look at that. Oh my word. I love this wig. I love this wig so much. You cannot just stop using your hand to make sure that you get that perfect style you want. Wow, I love this wig. So this wig I got it from Amazon for $15. Yes, for $15. So I just look at the back. Look at the back. Look at the way the back is laid down, and so beautiful. Wow, guys, I love this wig so much. This wig is making me feel so good, so good, so good. So, guys, this what I could, I get out from this wig, and also I went in to do more to check out more style that I can make out of this wig. Also, by changing I think I changed the background light to see how beautiful this wig to show you guys how beautiful this wig can come out to be. Wow, guys, what do you think about this wig? Let me know in the comment below. Just let me know. And if you think a wig that is more beautiful than this, that is gonna fit my face, can you please put it in the comment below? And guys, I'm going to put everything that I use on this wig in the description box below. So make sure you check that description box to see the link to this wig and everything that I use just to make this wig later as it is in this video. And also make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because this channel is about vlog, is about tutorial, is about lifestyle, and it's about beauty. So if you want to get a notification from this channel, you have to click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure that you click on the notification bell when it pops. The notification bell is going to pop out, so make sure that you click on the notification bell. Guys, look at it. Look at the way I'm using my hand to style this hair. Look at how beautiful it came out, guys. Okay. Yes, guys, thank you for tuning into this channel. Make sure you subscribe. I love you. Remember, you're loved, you're unique, you're special, you're just beautiful the way you are. Yes, guys. Oh wow, I love this hair. Bye.